Ford trolled the Tesla owners after the recent app outage. Ford said with secure code, "You will never get locked out of your vehicle." Tesla owners has been locked out of their cars after an app outage across worldwide which left them stranded outside their vehicles on November 20th. If you have only your phone with you when the app crashed, you wouldn't be able to get into your car, and that's exactly what happened to around 500 Tesla owners worldwide. Owners were calling for roadside assistance and delaying their plans for the night. The outage came shortly after the automaker rolled out an update to its application. Down Detector reported 500 user outage, which tracked outages by collating status reports from a series of sources, including user-submitted errors on its platform. The issue has been resolved for now. The fix didn't stop Ford's North America product communications manager and active Tesla critic on Twitter from taking another shot at the Californian EV brand.